Welcome. Are you looking for a holistic mind care that not only focuses on improving the mental illness, but also helping you reach optimum mental wellness? Then you're in the right place. My name is Dr. Rozina, and I welcome you on behalf of all our team members at Shifa Health. We are a group of psychiatrists, psychiatric nurse practitioners, psychologists, mental health technicians. We specialize in advanced psychiatric care like TMS, Desperado, medication, psychotherapy, but we really focus on helping each individual achieve their best functioning by taking an integrative approach and prevention education. Our logo of four overlapping octagon represents our belief that human beings are not just physical beings. We are physical, mental, social and spiritual beings, and therefore all aspect of life has to be taken care of for you to feel the best you could be. I invite you to explore many resources we are developing, share with people who can benefit, and make an appointment if we can help you. If we can contribute to reducing the burden of your mental illness a little lighter and make your life a little brighter, our purpose would be fulfilled. Thank you.